Welcome to Guided Meditations with Life Coach Craig. I'm grateful you are here, taking this time to pause, to breathe, and to reconnect with yourself. Each meditation is designed to support you in finding calm, presence, and gentle awareness, one breath at a time. Take a moment now to settle into a comfortable position. Allow the body to soften. Allow the breath to arrive naturally. Notice the inhale and the exhale. Nothing to force, nothing to fix. The human mind naturally pays attention to difficulty, to stress, to what feels uncertain or uncomfortable. In many ways, this is how the brain attempts to protect us. And because of this, small moments of goodness can easily pass unnoticed. Simple moments of calm, ease, connection, beauty. This meditation is an opportunity to gently return your awareness to those moments. Not to deny life's challenges, but to remember that they are not the whole picture. Bring to mind one small moment from your day that felt supportive in some way. Perhaps sunlight coming through a window, a warm drink, a kind conversation, the sound of birds outside, a quiet breath, or simply a brief moment where you felt okay. There is no need to search too hard. Allow the moment to arise naturally. And as you remember it, notice what happens within the body. Perhaps there is a softening in the chest, the shoulders, or the stomach. Perhaps the mind becomes a little quieter. There is nothing you need to create, nothing you need to hold on to. Simply noticing what is already here. So often, the mind rushes past these moments, moving quickly to the next task, the next concern, the next thing demanding attention. But right now, there is nowhere else to be. Just breathing, just noticing, just allowing this small moment of goodness to be fully received. And perhaps noticing that these moments are often simple, quiet, ordinary, yet meaningful all the same. As you move through the rest of your day, see if you can remain a little more open to these moments, not forcing positivity, not searching for perfection, simply noticing when something feels steadying, nourishing, or quietly beautiful. A single breath, a moment of silence, a warm conversation, a glimpse of sunlight, a small amount and moment of peace. These moments matter, and the more often we notice them, the more naturally the mind begins to recognize them. Take one more slow, easy breath, and as you exhale, allow yourself to carry this softer awareness with you. Thank you for taking this time to pause and reconnect with yourself today. Remember, the peace and spaciousness you cultivate here are always within you, available with each breath. Until next time, be well.